Zombie apocalypse.
This is AGA Forex. This is AGA Forex. You can see this is visibility 75. I was able to make $1,600 from one entry with my magic bomb strategy. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. This is what we are telling you. This is visibility 75. This is visibility 75. You see, that's why I told you this magic bomb strategy is just wow. We have gotten our confirmation already here. We have gotten our confirmation here. After this cross, we have gotten our confirmation after this cross of this black moving average, and we can see the market continue to go down, to go up, sorry, $2,000. $2,000 with magic bomb strategy. This is $2,000 with magic bomb strategy. Look at it. $2,600. $2,600. Let me close it. Let me close it now. You see, I was able to make a very good and reasonable amount of money with this entry. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. So please, for those that this is what we have gotten, you see, we captured this swing from this. This is what we captured from this area to this area. This is a very good swing. Let's check for another visibility. Let's check visibility 50s index, if we can get an entry. No entry. 50 index, this one to no entry. This entry has been missing already. But what you need to understand, with this magic bomb strategy, you can be able to trade visibility 75, visibility 100, and visibility volatility. Sorry, not visibility. I was just busy saying visibility. I remember one because I did it in school then. But what you need to understand, with this magic bomb strategy, you can be able to trade any kind of instrument you think you can trade. This market need to sell. This market need to sell. This market need to sell. Let me just sell. Let me use small lots now. This market need to sell. You see, this market need to sell. It needs to come down. Just enter this market now, and it should be in profit by now. You see, it's already reading profit. It's already in profit. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. This market may reverse, but I still anticipate that the market needs to go down because it's a downtrend. It's a confirmed downtrend. It's a confirmed downtrend. Let me just close with this small loss. But at least we have seen it live and direct. I've closed my market with almost $2,500 with just single entry. With just single entry. And let me shock you. I use this entry as a backup. Because I know that the market is approaching a very strong level that the market needs to react to it. Look at it here. This point, let me use the 5-minute chart. Look at it. This market needs to react to it because I have gotten my confirmations from here. I've already gotten my confirmation from here. From here, this base here, and I got my confirmation from the MACD, and that's why I buy. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Let me show you what I mean by backup. I have made a loss yesterday on one trade I entered, and I think I make a video previous to that. And what I need you to understand now is that this market is gonna go up again. You see, market started going up, so I want this market to break these highs, even if I'll buy again. But for now, as I make this huge money as I make this huge $2,000, I'll be able to just allow the market to run for the day. So you see, with this magic bomb strategy, you can be able to trade step index, volatility index, range break, even jump index. I've posted some videos before on my channel that talk about jump index. You can go and watch them as well. So please, our giveaway is still running. For those that have not yet gotten our giveaway, this is it. This video is the giveaway video. This second one, this one. For those that want to participate in the giveaway, you can come and watch this video. You can see this person has already fulfilled the terms and conditions. I'm giving a giveaway. This one too, we are giving it to almost 4 people out of 5. Yeah, okay, this one, 1, 2, 3. So we have other 7 VIP tickets running for you. So please, you can kindly go and check on that so that I can be able to join us. This is Adnan Global Access. Thank you and nice to see you in my next video. This is AGA Forex. Bye. To participate or join our BIP mentorship, please can try and contact us with this video. This current video is we still have some offers running for giveaway. We have almost 7 VIP signals ticket giveaway in this video. So for those that want to join, you can participate and do the process. You'll definitely be given. You see these people, this first one that is pinned, he has received his ticket. The second one too, this third one too. So a lot of people here have received their ticket. So please, if you just want to get the VIP, just contact. If you want to participate in the free VIP giveaway, just go and watch this video. If you watch the video, just do as it requires in the video. You'll definitely get your VIP ticket. Nice to have you here. See you in my next video, and don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to this channel. It helps us the YouTube algorithm. At least we are moving very, very fast. Thank God for that, and nice to have you here. This is Adnan Global Access Forex talking. Bye.